Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a very nice emoji. You can see that I have already drawn a bigger circle here. Now I'm going to draw very simple outlines to show that the guy is smiling. Alright, this is the outline of the mouth, and as he is smiling, I'm going to put a teeth inside the mouth. Okay, the presentation of the eyes, so that the eye is closed because of the smiling. The presentation is looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to fill up the inside space here, also this space here. Let's use the pencil here and make the drawing darker. So the drawing is going on. You can see the presentation, it's getting nice. We can put few segments here to visually express the teeth. It's like a graphical presentation. Okay, now we are going to color all the outside parts. So let's fill up the white spaces inside the bigger circle. Okay, you can see this is getting nice because of the color. The whole thing is looking good. Stay tuned, have patience, and keep coloring the whole thing very nicely and very good formation. The main thing is that you need to have patience while you learn the drawing. Do not do hurry or anything faster. This is a slow and steady way. All right. I'm drawing all the simple things so that you can start very elementary, very simple way, and you can also learn drawing. This is very good for practicing. For the beginners, this is also very good. So you can see the drawing is looking very nice. The guy is smiling, and actually because of the smiling, his eyes are closed. This is a very nice emoji. Everybody knows it. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the new updates. You can also browse through the playlist in my channel and can select different categories. I put lots of videos there. Thank you so much. Have a good day.